Slay! Nasa business. Nasa kaya si Bakla?
Ayun no?
Nasaan siya? Nasaan siya? Putayin ma'am siya. Slay! Hello, friend! Paka-Diyosa naman ang atake natin today. Hey, how are you? Ang ganda-ganda mo naman. Sobrang ganda naman.
Normal ko lang, Char.
Ang paka-Diyosa naman ako.
Mag-thank you for having me. Si Mary.
Ay, yun na. Hey! Hello, 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 hello. Hello, Bibi Leon. Kumusta ka?
Muna kasi. Ang fresh naman.
Wala nila ako. Hello. Thank you. Ay, ang nilagay ko boy, akala ko naman boy and girl. Ano ba yan? Hey, kumusta? Ang nilagay ko boy, akala ko naman boy. Wabo ka, sorry naman. Boy ang nilagay ko. O, team boy.
Ako din, team boy.
Ma'am Shi, ikaw na maglagay, Ma'am Shi, doon, oh. Pwedeng palagay nito, Ma'am Shi.
Ako din, team boy. Vlog mo ba? Wala ba akong boto dito? 10 yung boto ko. Ano yung remaining?
Ang fresh naman ni Joel. Sobrang fresh.
We're chilling pa. Boy kami.
Ay, girl, pala ako, Ma'am Shi, diba? Charot lang. Okay na yan.
Gusto mo.
Fresh kasi si AC, soft girl siya. Girl yun, diba?
Laro na sila yun.
Thank you.
Okay? Last man standing. Are you ready? Okay, make a circle.
Sorry po.
1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2,
I love you both. we're having an angel soon. As for your friends' advices, or of course from us, from all of us, just let God be the center of your life. And all of us here are just here supporting you and loving you both. And we're praying for, of course, for the safe delivery of your baby, for your healthy relationship, and all of the upcoming struggles. Just always talk about it. And we're just here supporting you and loving you all the way. And you know that, sister, I love you so much. And I love you too, Gurpreet. I'm so happy that it's you. It's you. And yeah, we're just all excited for the baby. Hopefully it's a girl. And God bless you always. I love you.
Thank you, Ate. A photo of girl or boy? Boy. Why boy? Pretty si Gurpreet. Girl or boy? Ba't parang galit ka? Okay. May I request Angel to get that one, the board? Yes, let's check. How many team boy? 17. Team girl.
Tagal naman.
Are you ready? Are you excited? Boy or girl? Are you sure? Are you ready? Please count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Team girls, better luck next time. Who are the team boys here? Who are the team boys? Congratulations, your guess is right. Are you happy, guys?
It meant to us, and I just pray, just continue to pray for us, and yeah, thank you for those people who help us today too, for the decoration and for preparing the food. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
May your baby be healthy, your coffee be strong, and your patience even stronger. My name is Jewel Baul Bernal, your host for tonight.